Hello, so we're going to try to solve a question from C2 on logarithms and exponentials and this. So they give us two equations which are simultaneous, and they ask us to solve for just to solve the simultaneous equation. So that means to find what y is and to find what x is. We have two variables, two unknowns, and we have two equations. So the first one is a to the power of y, 4 to the power 2x plus 3, and this here. Now this here is log to the base 2 of y is equal to that. This can be rewritten, the second equation. So if I call this one the second equation, then I could rewrite this as, well, we know that log to the base x of y is equal to z means the same thing as the base, which is the x to the power of z, is equal to y, right? So here 2 to the power of all of that should be equal to y. So 2 to the power of log to the base 2 of x plus 4, which is all of that, should be equal to the y here, y. Now 2 to the log 2 of something is the same thing as saying e to the ln of x, or these are inverse functions. These are inverse functions, so when you do one and then you do the other, you actually just get your variable back, x. So actually 2 to the log base 2 of x plus 4 is just x plus 4. You can also make the argument by saying, well, the log of base 2 of something is equal to the log base 2 of something, so that those two somethings must be equal, so you can jump straight away from that one to this one. So now let's write our two equations again. We have, on the one hand, we have x plus 4 equals y, on the other hand we have x to the power of y is equal to 4 to the 2x plus 3. So now we can do just a simple substitution. So we know what y is, and we can put it in terms of x in here. So then instead of 8 to the y, we can write 8 to the x plus 4. We're taking it from here. That's equal to y. It's equal to 4 to the 2x plus 3. 4 to the power of 2x plus 3. So how do we equate these or bring them down? Well, we can, what I would do is I would write them in terms of to the base of 2. So if I write everything to the base of 2, so 8 is 2 to the base of something, 2 to the power of something, right? 2 to the power of 2 is 4, and 2 to the power of 3 is 8. So that's actually 2 to the 3 to the power of x plus 4. So x plus 4 needs to go there as a times, multiply. Here that's 2 to the 2. So 2 to the 2, and then 2x plus 3. So that means that 3 times x plus 4 is equal to 2 times 2x plus 3, these powers. Then we open that up, 3x plus 12 is equal to 4x plus 6. When we subtract, then we get 1x over here, and we get 6, 12 minus 6 over there. So x is 6 according to this, and then y would be, well, if y is equal to x plus 4 and x is 6, then y is 10, right? And we can put it in here to check. Log to the base 2 of 10 is equal to log to the base 2 of 10. Well, yeah, that's correct. Okay, so hopefully that helps. See you in the next video.